we're gonna go into Walmart with Noah and see if we can find some clearance. Let's see what we can find.
Try to catch me howling at the moon.
Okay guys, we are in Walmart and we found these Uncharted, The Lost Legacy. I found 3 of these and they are $2 a piece. There is the Horizon there in the case. Those are $2 a piece. We've got the Madden 2021 back there for the PS5. That's $7. And there's a couple more games that are marked down cheap, but I don't see them here. So I'm going to try to get a guy to get these out so I can get all of them. Okay guys, I ended up getting all of the games out of that case. There are some games over here that I probably should have looked to see because I wanted them, but I don't know. I don't see any other ones in here. I can come back later and get them. Nobody's gonna know the price has been changed on them until the department manager comes in and changes the price. But they've had to have been priced differently for a couple days. But yeah, I think that game right there is like $7 maybe right now. There's a Power A PlayStation 4 charging controller that's marked down for $391. Set of headsets that are $372, and that was $1488, the original price. And then over here are it's a Pokemon controller for $1692. It was $2488. And they've got the Super Mario down here for $2488, but that looks like the regular price because that's what that was. It looks like there's not a whole lot of video game clearance, but you might be able to go out and check and see what you can find, because they have the Pikachu marked down, and then, like I said, they had a couple things over there. Okay guys, this is a really cool find here. This is a Victrola record player. The price is $59.96. When you type in that barcode on BrickSeek, this is it right here. And it shows that my store is actually out of stock of them, and they're $5. So this should be a $5 pickup. That's not too bad. Not too bad at all, right?
Not at all.
That's pretty awesome. Okay guys, you want to grab those video games before they fall off? You can stick them in the back of the cart. But me and Noah, we actually scored. Everything that we bought here was $21, and the record player was originally $60, and the video games themselves, there was PS5 games that were marked down that we actually scored for $4. And there were actually some more PS5 games in there that I didn't get. I didn't want to push my luck and try to take everything, because it's better to leave Walmart with a little bit of something than a whole lot of nothing. Ain't that right, Noah?
Yeah, that's right.
So we ended up with Victrola and some games, and I would have to say that the retail value of all of this stuff, the games are probably $30 to $40 a piece, and we ended up with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We ended up with 7 games, so at $30 a piece, that's $210, and this is $60, so that's $270 for $21. Not too bad. I'm pretty excited about that. I don't do a whole lot of retail arbitrage anymore, but if I find a good deal, one of the groups that I'm on, if I see somebody talking about a bargain, I'm gonna run out and try to get it, because that's just how we do things. We are full-time resellers. We sell we live in a small town of Missouri, and we sell full-time on eBay, Amazon, or not Amazon, that's a different story, but we sell full-time on eBay, Macari, and Facebook Marketplace. As always, we will be pushing the cart. Also, another thing that we do to make a little bit of extra money, I would suggest that there are several apps that you can download to where you can scan Walmart receipts. And when I come out of Walmart, I'm always looking on the ground to find these receipts, because I take them home to my wife and I give them to her and she scans them in, and she saves us several $100s a year off of, when it comes Christmas time, she'll scan them all year, and then at Christmas time she'll turn them in for either cash or she will turn them in for like gift cards to different places. So I won't end this video here. When I get home, I'll ask my wife what those apps are, and then I'll end the video there. So let's go home. Okay, Francis, it's the next night. I got to end my last video. We were talking about scanning receipts. What are the apps that you use to scan your receipts in on?
I use Receipt Hog, Fetch Rewards, and Receipt Pal.
Okay.
And then I also, for rebates, which are more like coupons after the fact, I use Ibotta. Okay. So that's everything that she uses. So there you go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you do, be sure to go down and like and subscribe. And we have a lot more videos that you could watch. In fact, we're going to have some videos popping up real soon, like right over here on the screen that you can click on. So you guys have a good day. Keep on digging. Keep on picking. And remember, the family that picks together, what do they do, Noah?
Sticks together.